Hi everybody, Chris Taylor here in the factory at Ramp Sports. Just want to take you through a little bit of the process of what we do here and the building of our skis and snowboards. What I'm going to start out with is just going through the entire process, starting from the wood cores all the way to the finished product. So hang on, hold tight, and let's get ready to learn a little bit about what we do here. So the first thing we start with here at Ramp is the wood core. Basically, we take our vertical laminate poplar wood and we'll mill it out with the CNC machine and wrap it with our sidewall material. We'll also take the time to notch out where the binding mounting plate goes for our skis. For snowboards, obviously there's no binding mounting plate because of the inserts. But again, it does still look like this, just a little bit wider and only one instead of two. Next, after we've gotten this done, we're going to go back to the CNC machine and mill the core to the exact thicknesses for the specifications of the exact ski or snowboard. So here we are with the next process after it's gone through the CNC machine. Here's one of our snowboards taking life. Basically what we've done, we've put the inserts into the board itself and backed it with some fiberglass, and as you can see, it's starting to take shape. So here we are in the pressing department, and I have with me one of the molds for one of our skis. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to lay in our metal edges, our base material, fiberglass, the wood core that we've milled on the CNC machine, a little bit more fiberglass, as well as the top sheet to the ski, and we'll move on to the presses to press it all together and make our final product. So here's one of our presses right here. Actually, we have a whole row of presses getting ready. You'll notice that in the press, you have the top part of the press which will press against that metal plate that you saw, which we call the cassette. We'll put all the materials in there, press down on it with a little bit of heat as well to bond everything together and get it to the finished product. So here's one of our boards that just came off the press. Basically what's happened is when it's been pressed down, all of that epoxy that was put in there comes out the sides, still have the top sheet material, and still have some overlaying fiberglass here. What we're going to do next is we're actually going to trim all of this excess material off and get it ready for the finishing process.